Okay, straight up, you have to invest in yourself. If you're going to have any success, if you're going to build something cool, if you're going to build a business, if you're going to grow your business, you have to invest in yourself. So I recently had someone ask me, they said, Jeff, when you were first starting out, you had nothing. You were just barely scraping by. Your programs are not, these days, your programs are not inexpensive. Would you have made that investment in yourself? And the reality is that when I first started my business, I was desperate for a change, super desperate. There's very little money to go around. So I started this business. The most modest start you could ever imagine. But at the same time, I was preparing to go to graduate school to get an MBA. MBA, that would have cost taken 2 years and cost me tens of thousands of dollars. And yet I was going to figure out one way or another how to pay for grad school so I could go there, spend 2 years in school, hopefully get some kind of a corporate job, hopefully make some money that way, end up with a job where I would not have been happy, would not have the freedom income lifestyle. So but I was prepared to spend those tens of thousands because back in the day, that seemed like the only way out for me. Well, times have changed. That was 25 years ago, more than 25 years ago. And now there is such an opportunity to learn in alternative ways from online courses and memberships and masterminds and coaching that just where you can learn from someone with real world direct experience that can give you direct actionable knowledge, wisdom, skills, tactics, strategies that spending tens of thousands of dollars going to graduate school will not buy you. So yes, back when I was just starting out, I was prepared to invest big time. But back then I didn't, the learning options weren't available that are available today, which leads me to this coming few weeks. I am going to get really busy because I'm about to do my launch masterclass. Now, the thing here is your investment in my launch masterclass is not monetary at all. There's no dollars involved. It's absolutely free. But you have to commit and spend the time. You have to invest your time. I'm going to teach you, I'm going to train you on my launch system that's been used by my students to do over $1 billion in sales, and you can get it for free. But it's going to come and it's going to go. I do this once a year. You can drop in, you can tune in, you can get everything for free, but you have to invest the effort. So I've now had over 1 million people go through my free launch masterclass. Now that sounds like an absolutely ridiculous, ludicrous number. The reality is that I've been doing this since 2005, and you do something long enough, you end up with crazy numbers like 1 million people. I've typically in one of these master classes, I have somewhere between 40,000 and 60,000 people go through it with me. Sometimes I think I had one that was 80 or 90,000, but it's that 40 to 60,000 people per year go through this master class with me. And I've got it. So first of all, here's a few dates for you. October 19th, I'm going to have the first piece comes out. I've got a report, a special white paper that you're going to want to download. And after that, the dates to really focus on October 28, 29, and 30th. And that's when I'm going to do my live launch masterclass trainings. So it's October 28, 29, and 30th. Those will start at 4 p.m. Eastern time, the Eastern United States time. It's going to be live. It's going to be awesome. So put those dates on your calendar. If you're in Australia, you're going to have to get up really early. If you're in Europe, you're going to have to get up, or you're going to have to stay up late with me. It's going to be awesome. The launch masterclass. This has changed the lives of countless people. And I would love to change your life. The only investment you need to put in is your time. So the thing to do is go to productlaunchformula.com. There'll be a place to put your email address in. This is early days. It's not coming up. Things won't really ramp up until the 19th. But if you go and put your email address in now, then you'll be set up. I'll send you notifications of everything. We'll get you all scheduled. We'll get you all set up to launch Masterclass. My life's about to get real busy, doing my best to serve as many people as possible in as big a way as possible. And yes, at the end of it, I will make an offer for my product launch formula coaching program for those people that really want to go deep and really want to move forward. But before that, I'm going to teach my heart out on the Launch Masterclass. Be there. Remember, you need to invest in yourself. The only investment for you to move forward with the Launch Masterclass is to go to productlaunchformula.com and put in your email address. And then we'll get you all hooked up. So I'm Jeff Walker. Wherever you're watching this, scroll down, leave a comment for me, and let's go get him this week.